For more than 80 years, Onduline has covered homes and buildings with roofing solutions designed to last, lean, reliable. With respect and proximity, we offer hassle-free solutions, easy to install, adapted to local realities. Today, Onduline evolves, keeping what makes it trusted. With a clearer definition of who we are, a truly great experience to make your projects easier every day, to bring you peace of mind, to build long-term relationship between you and our committed teams. Onduline, get the roof done and done well.